Hi everybody, how's everybody doing? I received this yesterday in the mail. It's surprising the mail service is running. I got this from Blizzard. Blizzard FPV. Already opened it, save on time. He sent me a wire. I think it's for Steam, I'm not sure. It's a wire for doing liftoff and those simulator games for flying. Got all the wires for it. Far out, man. I just have to figure out how to hook it up. And I have the little doohickey thingamabob that plugs into the USB port, and it plugs into that. Cool, man. Thanks a lot there, Blizzard. Appreciate this, man. This is cool. I'll have to try this liftoff in that now. I appreciate that. Thanks, Blizzard. Put this back in here. This is awesome. Now I can do a little bit of simulation work. Cool. Thanks, Blizzard, once again. I appreciate it.